working on the second one, express one quantity as a percentage of other, right? So for these questions are question number 1 to 6 and then question number 12. So we will start
Ma'am,
with question number 12 today. I'm opening the book also. Book is opened actually. So we have done the first
okay, ma'am.
6 questions. So today we will do question number 12. So this is the question number 12 is the question related to express one quantity as a percentage of another one, of the second one. और इसी को तो हम कहते हैं ना comparison of quantities. We have done this yesterday as well. Remember those questions when we said
Yes.
4 days a week, 4 by 7, right? So this is the similar question that two quantities are compared and we need to compare them using uh, percentages. So for that, first of all, we need to keep them in the same unit, right? So like for example, the first one is 45 minutes, 1 hour. So what will that be? First step would be converting into the same unit. So what is, in which unit we should go?
Ma'am, in minute.
In minutes. So this 1 hour is how many minutes? This is 60 minutes,
Yes.
right? So now we can write it down because the units are same. So now we can write it down as 45 by 60, right? So this is a similar question which we have done yesterday. So now we need to convert this fraction into percentage because that is what is written in the question. Express one quantity as a percentage of other. So now to change this into percentage, we will multiply with 100, right? So now we can simplify. We can cancel this 1 0 and we will cancel this 6 with 3 2s are 6, 3 15s are 45. Now this 2 can be cancelled with this 5, 10. So 2 5s are 10. So in the numerator, we are left with only 15 and 5. And in the denominator, there's 1 left. There's nothing left in the denominator. So what is 15 5s are? 75, right? It is 75%,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So when you are expressing first quantity as a percent of other, so the answers are in percentage. And this makes sense also if we talk about 1 hour. So 45 minutes का क्या मतलब है? We are talking about 3/4, 3/4. So this is 75% of the whole 1 hour, right? So any question till this point, bete?
No, ma'am.
All right, so let's do the second question. I'm changing the color so that you can see.
Ma'am,
Second
can
is,
you do it on the whiteboard?
yeah, I can do it on the whiteboard. So you're right, the space is less actually. So, Abrish, are you taking class on the laptop or on the mobile?
Ma'am, laptop.
All right. So is the screen not visible?
Ma'am, it is visible.
All right. So the second part of this question is 25. Second part is 25 seconds. 25 seconds. And the other quantity is 3.5 minutes.
Ma'am, we can do it in the seconds.
We can change it into seconds. So how many 3.5 minutes are how many seconds? How to convert? Multiplied with
With 60.
60. Very good. Multiplied with 60. So if you multiply 3.5 with 60, this decimal will be gone with this 0. So 35, 6 are 6 5s are 33, 6 3s are 18. So this is 210 seconds, right? 210
Yes.
seconds. So now we can write down this as a fraction, 25 seconds to 210 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
So
they're
now
equal. So
we need to convert it into,
multiply.
we need to
Ma'am, in the
convert it
front
into,
of that,
yes, we will
into
multiply it with 100. to convert it into
Yes.
percentage. So now we can
Okay,
cancel
that
this
gives you
one zero.
2500.
All right. So I prefer to simplify before this. So this is 250 by 21. So 250 by 21, we can just divide it. We can keep 250 inside and we will divide it with 21. So 21 ones are 21 and this is 40. So 21 twos are is 42. So it means we will still divide it with 121. So the answer would be 19. Put a zero here and a decimal in the answer. Right. So now 21, mm, like 21 into 8. 8 करें तो ये आता है ना. 21 into 8 is 168. So this is 22. Oh no, we need to do 21 nines are right. So 21 nines are 9, 9 twos are 18. So this is 1. Okay. So the answer is 11.9%. Right. So if we are talking about 25
Yes.
seconds out of 210 seconds, so that is 11.9%. All right, moving on to the C part. C part is 1 year, 4 months. This was B part of question number 12. This C part is 1 year to
4 months. 4 months. Ma'am,
4 months.
can I talk?
जी जी बेटे.
Ma'am, or ma'am Alia have done like that. Uh, First we will write percentage on the, and then write first quantity in the numerator and second quantity in the denominator and multiply with 100. So she write 12 by 4 multiply by 100. So in the denominator, the 100 we replace 1, and then that get the place of 4, and up numerator is 1200. So we divided and
Hmm.
the answer was
So
300.
actually, you know, the rest of the method is same na. We are also doing it like this. First quantity divided by second quantity, and then we multiply it with 100. So, but you are saying that she will not simplify before multiplication. Like she will write down here 2500
Ma'am,
divided by 20.
in the denominator with the 100, she write 1, and like that we do.
Hmm. So actually, it's a good habit to. I told you yesterday also. It's a good habit to simplify before multiplication, right? So bazukat, we
Okay,
just
ma'am.
cancel the things and the answer is out. But when we will multiply, so the number gets bigger, and then we need to, think about it also again, right? So this is also like this: 1 year to 4 month, first quantity, and this is the second quantity. So we will convert it into the smaller unit. So this is 12 months, right? So the ratio would be 12 by 4, and we will multiply it with 100.
Multiply with 100.
So she is doing multiplication before division. That's what, like, you want to write a 1200 by 4.
Yes.
All right. So 1200 by 4. So now
And
we
she
can cancel
divided it
this
by
4. 4 threes are 12. So the answer would be
300.
300%. That's a lot. Acha, Abrish, I have a question here. Okay, this is 1 year as a first quantity and 4 month as a second quantity. What if the question is 4 month as the first quantity and 1 year as a second quantity? So then what will happen? How this question will
Ma'am,
be changed?
answer would be same, but the values will be changing in the numerator and denominator.
So if this fraction is reversed, so do you think the answer will be same? If I write 4 by 12, so then do you think the answer will remain same?
No, ma'am.
No, it will not be, right? So this is 400 by 12. Or if you divide it with 4, so this is 100 by 3. So 100 by 3 is 33.3%. So this is totally different answer. So it means it is important to write the quantities in order carefully. If sometimes in the question they're asking you express second quantity as a percentage of first quantity, so you need to write down the second quantity on the numerator and this quantity in the denominator. So this is the order which matters, right? So we need to take care of the order as well. So if the question is express first quantity as a second as a percent of second quantity, so the first quantity goes into the numerator. And if the question is express second quantity as a percent of the first one, so this then the
Ma'am, your
second
screen is
quantity
not
will.
visible.
All right, I will share again. So is this all right? Next question is 15 millimeter to 1 meter.
Ma'am, 15 millimeter.
Hmm. So question is 15 millimeter. This is I think so. Part three, like C part, I believe. 15 millimeter. C एक D, I believe. I think so. It's the D part. 15 millimeter to 1 meter.
Now we can change it into the millimeter.
We can change it into the meter. So how many millimeters are in 1 meter? Now this is important. We need to go from meter to millimeter. So in 1 meter, how many millimeters are there? Do you know? Amrish Pate, can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am, it is 10.
So it is like this ना. मीटर से हम पहले कन्वर्ट करते हैं इन सेंटीमीटर एंड देन सेंटीमीटर से हम जाते हैं मिलीमीटर में. इफ यू गो फ्रॉम मीटर टू सेंटीमीटर आपने 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. इफ यू गो
Yes,
फ्रॉम सेंटीमीटर टू मिलीमीटर यू नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई विद 10. इसका मतलब है इफ यू गो फ्रॉम मीटर टू मिलीमीटर you will multiply with 1000. 10 and
yes,
100 makes 1000. So this is 1000 millimeter. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
So now you can say 15 by 1000 is the ratio or fraction of one quantity as a percent of second. So to change it into percent, we will multiply it with 100. Now you can cancel these two zeros.
1500 by.
1500
Yes,
by, yeah, 15 by 10. So what would be the
15
answer?
by 10.
15 divided by 10.
Um,
Move the decimal. There is a decimal at the end. Because it is divided by
yes,
10,
ma'am.
so you need to take
0.5.
the decimal one step backwards. So it will
1.5.
be 1.5%,
1 point millimeter.
right? So we are talking about
Yes,
15 millimeter to 1000 millimeter. We are talking about
yes,
1.5%, very small amount, right?
yes, ma'am.
All right, moving on to E part. Okay, E part is 355 centimeter to 5 meter. 355 centimeter to
Um,
5 meters.
yes. We can change into centimeter.
Centimeter. So you will multiply it with 100. So this is
100.
500
500.
centimeter. So the fraction
500
is
centimeter.
355 divided by.
350 divided by 500.
Mhm. So to change it into the uh, like for it,
Multiply it by
we will multiply it
100.
with 100.
100.
So
Two zeros will cut with the two zeros.
two zeros will be cancelled. So this is
Yes.
355
By
divided
5.
by
And we can
5.
divide it by 5. That is 71.
Very good. 71%.
Yes.
Right? So this is the answer. Now the next part. Part F. Part F is 1
1
kg to
kg,
800 grams.
800 grams.
Right?
1
So 1
kg
kg
to
to 800 grams.
800 to 800 grams. So we can change kilogram into grams. That
Right?
was 1000 grams.
Very good. So 1000 grams. and we will
by
compare with 800 grams, right? So the fraction would
we
be
will write in the
1000.
fraction
That's right,
gram 1000
1000 by
by 800.
800
800.
and multiplied with,
100. Now we
right?
can
So
get two zeros with two zeros.
we can cut the two zeros. It is 1000 by 8,
8 and that
right?
is 125.
125. Very good. So 125%,
5%.
right? So this is how you need to solve
Which is
it.
like
Bete, any question till this point?
no ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Is the screen gone? I was trying to take. Is the screen shared?
No.
Oh, I was trying to take the screenshot and the screen got closed. Sorry for that. All right. So let me share the screen again. All right. So now comes the G part. G part is 60 degree to 360 degree.
360.
360 degree to 60
60.
degree to 360 degree. So do you think we need to convert units?
No.
No, we don't have to do
We
that
could write
because
it
they are
at the
both in.
fraction 60 by 360.
But your voice is not coming clearly. I don't know why.
Ma'am,
But you
the
are.
units are same, so
That's right. The units are
fraction
same. That's right. So we will
we
say
will
60
write
by.
fraction
Very
360
good. And now
and
to
multiply with
express
100.
it as a percentage, we will.
Multiply with 100.
Very good.
Ma'am, one
So this
zero
one
with
zero.
start with
Hmm. So it will be 600 by
this
36.
600 by 36.
Hmm.
And ma'am, the answer is in the
Should I divide?
non-terminating.
Hmm?
And the answer is like non-terminating 16.66 and
Hmm.
then go
This is
on.
100 by 6. And by 100 by 6 is 6 1, that's 640. 6 6, that's 16.6%.
66.
Right?
Yes.
So this is
This
your
is
answer.
going on.
That's right. This is a non-terminating number, a recurring number. Last is
Yes.
63 cents. 63 cents to
To $2.10.
$2.10. $2.10. So do I need to change the unit?
Yes.
Hmm. So $210 would be, you need to multiply
200.
it with 100.
Yes,
So
200.
210.
210 cents.
Hmm.
Right is we will write in the fraction like 63 by 210 and multiply with 100. So we will cut one zero with one zero
That's
and
right.
the left 63 by 21.
Hmm. Can I
And
cancel it?
yes, yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. With 7.
7. 7 threes are 21 and 7 nines are 63.
Lines are. We
And
can
then this
still
3 can again be,
yes. Uh, 3.
no,
No,
3 multiplied by 10.
10 is 30%.
That's right. So this is 30%, right? So
Yes.
this was the last one. So
We
with
can check
any question?
the worksheet. We
Sorry?
can check any worksheet. Ma'am, I understand this. Can we check any worksheet of this to
All
solve?
right, let me see if we have a worksheet related to this. We solved worksheet yesterday, वैसे ना? Okay, it was 2 worksheets. So
Yes.
there are some questions left in the first worksheet. We can look into those questions. So the second we
Okay.
have done already. कल हमने कर ली थी ना? So those were the questions when one quantity was compared to the other. मैं आपको एक बार दिखा देती हूँ, ये हमने कल की थी ना? Remember that?
Yes.
So we did solve the word problems also to express one quantity as a percentage of other one.
Yes.
So we have done it already. There are few questions left in the first worksheet. We can do that together. These one, right? So the first question is, in local election there were 56 5,600 registered voters. Of these, 3450 voted. What was the percentage that voted? So how to make percentage?
Um. Well, first write it as a fraction.
Sorry.
Write it as a fraction like 5600 by
So will it be
30.
5600 by 3450, or will it be
No.
3450 by?
Yes. We will write 3450 first and then 5600.
That's right. Because we are talking about 3450 people out of 5600. Now, so this is the fraction. So now to convert it into the mm, percentage, we
By
will
100
multiply it with 100.
and cut two zeros
That's right. These two zeros can be cancelled. So 3450
and
divided by 56.
56.
So can I divide with any number? With so with which number I can divide 56 and 3450? With 2 probably.
Yes.
So 1725 divided by
Um.
28.
20. Yes.
I think so. I cannot divide any further. So I will, like, I cannot cancel 1325 multiplied with 28.
8.
So what to do?
We can take 172 and check it.
So we can divide it because we cannot simplify it any further. We can divide it 28. So the two digits cannot be divided. So we have to take the third one. So 28 is close to 30, right? So we will just estimate कि किस number पे ये value आती है. 35 are is 150. 36 are is
28
um
6.
28
Write
6 are
6 on the
correct. 6 8s are 48. So 6 2s are 12 or
168.
168. So what is 28
We
7s
can
are then?
196.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना. 28 6 are 168. So if you subtract तो ये कितना आता है?
4
4 45. So now
45
28
and
into what is 45? 2s are
uh
नहीं, 1s are
ma'am it would be bigger. One the
28 1s are 28. So 2 48 minus 28 is what?
7. Ma'am, the left one is 7. And the 15 minus 8 is
This is 1
7.
70. So put a decimal here and this will be
Yes, and make it 770.
170, and again it will be 6. 6 are 168. Right? So the answer is
Yes.
61.6%. Right?
Yes.
All right. So moving on to next question. Question is,
Okay.
Abdullah got 16 out of 25 for an assignment and Hamza got 13 out of 20. So who got the highest percentage? So we need to
Ma'am,
find
write
percentage.
16 by
Hmm.
25.
So how much Abdullah got and how much
16.
Hamza got? Abdullah got 16 out of 25 and Hamza got 13 out of 20.
Uh,
We need to find out who scored more percentage. So what to do?
ma'am, multiply with 100.
Multiply by 100. So change the
Both
fractions into percentage, right?
percentage.
Oh, where is the whiteboard? So, oh,
Ma'am, we were having the worksheet.
oh, we were having the worksheet. That's why. I was thinking, where is the document? Oh, it's closed. There was some error. All right. So we were saying okay, Abdullah got 16 out of 20. So I will say 16 out of
16
20. And
and
this
multiply
is what
by
Abdullah got. And
yes,
how much Hamza got? Hamza got
13 by
13
20.
out of 20. This is
20.
25. So to convert it
Yes.
into percentage, we will multiply by 100.
Multiply with 100.
That's
Both.
right. So what to do here? 25 into
16.
4 is 100.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, 14 is 4.
Ma'am, you
25,
oh,
25 into 4 is 100. So this is left in the numerator 16 and 4. So what is 16 multiplied by
64.
4? It is
64.
That's right. It is 64%. Now let's solve this. So this 20 is cancelled with 100. 25s are 100. So now what is 13 into 5?
65.
65%. So who got more percentage?
Hamza.
Hamza. So at the end we will write down because they are word problems. So we will write down Hamza scored more percentage. So just a small difference is there, right? So moving on to the next part.
Yes.
There are 1500 boys and some girls. If the number of boys are 75%, there are 1500 boys, and if the number of boys are 75%, calculate number of girls. So what to do?
We will write it as uh um there's just the boys. So when first we have to know about the
Hmm. Total what?
total number of girls and boys in the school.
That is given now. This is 1500. The total boys
And
and
but
girls are
just boys.
1500. Sorry?
No, ma'am, just the boys.
So just the
Ma'am, they're
boys
saying
are
just
75%. The number of boys are
we can write it as 75 out of 1500.
35?
75.
No, it's not. It's a different question. It's like number of boys are 75% and the number of girls are, if boys are 75%, then girls are 25%, right?
Yes.
So we will say 25% off. ये वाले क्वेश्चन है 25% ऑफ 1500. 25% का मतलब है 25/100.
5.
ऑफ का मतलब है मल्टीप्लाई
Multiply
with
by 1500.
1500.
And cut
So
two
now
zeros
what
with
to
two
do?
zeros.
Yeah,
Cut
now we
two
can.
zeros with zeros.
And 21 into 15
25
is
is ma'am 375.
3. What? 375. So 375 girls are there.
Yes.
How many total boys are, like total strength is 1500, and out of those 1500, 375 students are girls, right? Is
Girls.
this making sense? जी बेटे?
Ma'am, I have done these in on my registers. Register
All
in
right,
the online classes.
very good, excellent.
My answer was same.
All right, that's great. So now we can move on to the second one. We can see what is the next objective because we have done this already. So now let's see what is
Yes.
the third learning objective. So third learning objective is mm, this is the third objective. Compare two quantities by percentage, which we have done right now. Calculate calculate percentages greater than 100, right? And then lastly, solve the word problems involving all different types, right? So now we can see what are the questions which we need to do. So we need to do 8 till 11, 13 till 17. So it's almost the whole exercise is included. So now let's see what is in question 8 till 11. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we need to see what is there in question number 8. So this is question number 8. Our company has 12,000. Beta, can you see the screen and is it clear? The
Yes.
question? All right. So our company has 12,000 employees. During a downsizing, what is downsizing?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Downsizing is when the company need to reduce employees. So company starts um, kicking out the employees. ठीक है, उनको निकालना शुरू कर देती हैं because the employees are too much and the work is less, right? So that is why.
Yes, ma'am.
So is the screen coming or is it again gone?
Ma'am, it is coming.
All right, so you can see it. Okay. So 2.5% of them were retrenched. 50.75% of them had a pay cut and the rest were unaffected, right? So 2.5% of 12,000 employees were retrenched, like उनको बाहर निकाल दिया. 50.75% employees में की पे में से कट कर लिया उन्होंने और जो बाकी employees हैं they were unaffected. Find the number of employees who were unaffected by the downsizing. We need to find out कि 12,000 में से how many employees were not affected. So ये question के आंसर थे, ये off वाले question है सारे. So first of all we need to find out how many were not affected. So कितने percent were not affected. So can I solve it here or should I use whiteboard?
Ma'am, whiteboard.
All right. So the question is that total employees are how many? 12,000, right?
12,000.
12,000. And the one who were retrenched, 2.5% retrenched. 2.5%. So then how many had a pay cut? 50.75% had a pay cut. And lastly हमारे पास कौन है? Unaffected. So बाकी के लोग unaffected है ना? So कितने लोग हैं बाकी जो unaffected है? We need to add these two.
Yes.
तो कितना आता है? 50.75 और 2.5. कितना आता है ये? 7 and 5, 12. So 353.25.
Yes.
53.25%.
Were unaffected.
100 minus 100 से minus भी करना है ना? So if
Yes.
you minus it from 100, 53.25. तो ये क्या आएगा? 5. 9 minus 5 is 7. Point. So how many will come here?
Six.
This is like
Six.
99 now. So 6 and 9 minus 5 is 4.
4%.
So this is 46.75%. इतने लोग unaffected हैं. Now we need to find out the value. So we will write down unaffected people are 46.575% of 12,000.
12,000.
12,000. So this 46.75 is 46.75 divided by 100
100 multiplying
multiplied with 12,000.
12,000. Got
So
two
now we need
zeros
to
with
simplify.
two zeros.
We can cancel these two zeros and then we can remove
And
this
multiply.
decimal. We will remove
Yes.
the decimal and the 100 more will come here. So now we need to multiply. We need to multiply 4675. 4675 is to be multiplied with 12. All right. So how we are going to do that?
Ma'am?
G,
Ma'am, why we're not adding 10? Why we're multiplying with 12?
we can cancel that. We will actually cancel. I'm bringing,
Yes.
there is one more zero coming
Okay,
now
ma'am.
after multiplying. So that will also be cancelled. So 5 twos are 10, 7 twos are 14, 15, 6 twos are 12, 13, and 1 carry 4 twos are 8, 9. So multiply का sign, then 5, 7, 6, 4, right? So if you add these, तो आपके पास आंसर क्या आता है? 0, 10, 11. So, right? So the answer is 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry. So 9, 10, 16, 1 carry. So this is the answer. How many digits we are having after table K? The numerator is having, denominator is having 100. So now you can cancel these two
And
zeros. So the answer would be 561.
yeah, 561%.
Fit? No, it's not percentage, it is value. So
Yes.
12,000 is employed at the 561 employees. 561 employees वो हैं जिनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा कंपनी में डाउन साइजिंग हुई है दे वर अनइफेक्टेड ठीक है इज दिस क्लियर बेटे
Yes.
so now let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. Find the value. ठीक है so first part is 0.8 of 4.5 meter. I'm doing it here. So the question is 0.8% of 4.5 meter. So what is 0.8%? अब आपने मुझे बताना है अब्रिश. If you remove this decimal sign, percent sign, तो क्या आएगा?
8 by 100.
8 by 100?
No.
0.8 by 100, right? Off का मतलब है multiply 4.5. So now I can just remove the decimal. ये दोनों decimal remove कर दें तो ये बन जाएगा 8 by 1000 और ये बन जाएगा आपके पास
Yes.
45 by 10, right? So now you can just multiply 45 with 8. 36, 360. So this is 360 by 4 zeros. This 6 can be cancelled. And 3 decimal at 0.036 meters. देखिए बेटे any question,
No, ma'am.
right? So same is अच्छा इन questions में ना the answer is not in percentage. Answer की वही unit है जो question में है. ठीक है? So let's do the
Yes,
second
ma'am.
part. Second part is 111 wholes 4 by
Ma'am, you can take the
5%.
screenshot when done.
जी बेटे I'm taking the screenshots today. Of 24 kg. So we need to find out what is 111 whole 4 by 5% of 24 kg. अब देखिए हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं 4 by 5 is decimal form में 4 by 5 is what? 4 by 5 is 0.8. Like if we convert this now 4 by 5 तो इसका आंसर क्या आता है? 0.8, राइट? Is it making sense? 4 by 5 is 0.8. Abarish, is it clear?
Ma'am, we can we're changing this into improper fraction or not? Like how
So
you have
that is
done
the
this?
same
Can you
thing, ना?
explain it?
मैंने आपको पहले बताया था ना कि improper fraction में change करके convert करेंगे तो भी यही आंसर होगा. So this 111 is already a whole part. So we will just write it down in the whole part. So 4 by 5 is 0.8. देखो, let me do it for you also. फिर हम इसको erase कर देंगे. ये देखें, if I change it into the fraction, तो ये क्या बनेगा? 111 into 5 is 555. तो ये आपके पास जान जाता है 559 divided by 5, राइट? ये आपके पास बनता है परसेंट. अब आप इसको अगर
Yes, ma'am.
डिवाइड करें ना 559 को 5 से, ये आपके पास आता है 111 पॉइंट. देयर वाज वन लेफ्ट, तो उसने व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर देन? 111.8%. ये यही फॉर्म आती है. ठीक है.
Ma'am,
सो
answer is
वी विल, हाँ,
answer is same.
हाँ जी, आंसर इज सेम. सो यू कैन डू इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, या फिर डायरेक्ट कर लें. दिस 111 इज ऑलरेडी अ होल नंबर, तो ये फ्रैक्शन है ना, तो फ्रैक्शन को बस कन्वर्ट कर लें. ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई 24 kg. So now the next question, 11.8, 111.8. तो परसेंट का साइन खत्म करें तो डिवाइडेड बाय 100 of 24. ठीक है. Now you can remove this decimal also and put another zero. It's up to you. So that's also fine. So you can put another
That
zero
is
here and this is gone. So now you need to
yes.
multiply these two numbers. What is 11? 100, nahi, 1118 multiplied with 24. What is the answer?
Now let me multiply.
All right.
Ma'am, 26,832.
All right, 26,832. Now in the denominator, there are three zeros. So this decimal will go back in the three decimal places. So this is
Yes,
26.832. ठीक है. इतना
yes,
क्या?
ma'am.
इतने kgs. So now this thing can come in your mind. Abrish ke the original was 24 kg. So why the answer is bigger than 24 kg?
Yes, ma'am.
So why do you think? 111 whole 4 by 5% of 24 kg is bigger than 24 kg. So the reason is, अगर ये होता ना 100% of 24 kg, तो आंसर हमारा क्या होता? 24. लेकिन अभी it is 111%. तो 111% का मतलब है कि they are asking about more speed, more values.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
ठीक है. So why the answer is more than the number itself? Because the percentage is more than 100. If the percentage is 100% na, so then it will be 24 kg. Now the percentage is 111%. So the answer is bigger than the original value. Is this point clear?
Yes.
ठीक है. So now the last part is left. All right. So the last part of this question is 312.5%. So this is 312.5% of 570 kg or $70. $70, right? So this is the last part. $70. So how to find out the value? इसको कैसे चेंज करें? 312.5. हमने इसको क्या करना है? 300, 3000 ये सब कुछ Up this 100 will come for while removing this percent sign. One more zero is coming because I have taken the zero also on the same step. ये बात समझ आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
So now off means multiply 70 is 70. So now what to do? We can cancel this one zero.
With 1 0.
Okay. So now what is 3125 multiplied by 7?
21,875.
Sorry, beta, your voice is not clear. 21,000
875.
divided by 100.
Yes.
All right. So then the
So
answer would be
answer is 21
no,
218
218.
218.75.
Very good.
It's 7 point.
218.75. So unit would be dollars, right?
Yes.
So any question?
No, ma'am.
All right. So these are not very difficult question, but they require practice.